Another important point to consider while purchasing antivirus software is user-friendly interface. The antivirus software must be simple to use. If the screen and menus are clear and easy to understand, that is not filled with confusing and technical words, you will be able to quickly check your security status. If the antivirus software has user-friendly interface, then you can easily run a scan of your system when you need it. Then you can also fix problems or change the settings of antivirus software without making a mistake. If the interface of your antivirus is complicated, then it may be possible that you may miss an important warning with regard to threat, or you may not be in a position to change the settings properly when the same are required. So again, we should look for an antivirus software which looks and works the same way, whether you are using it on your mobile device or on your computer system or on your laptop, whether it is PC, laptop, or mobile phone. The antivirus software should look in the same way and should also work in the same way. It results into user satisfaction and ease of use. User is in a position to work smoothly with the antivirus software and get maximum usage or protection from the same. A well-defined or well-designed interface improves user confidence and encourages routine use of security tools, which ultimately strengthens your overall protection. So, if the antivirus software has user-friendly interface, then you are in a position to use it properly and get maximum protection or maximum usage of the antivirus software, and you get the maximum possible protection from the antivirus software. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.